Immigration Law Amendments Bill 2023. In today's video, we'll be taking you through the latest amendments to Australia's bridging visa conditions. So stay with us to find out all about this new update. Are you worried about your Australian visa application or immigration status in Australia? Worry not. Visit our website now to get in touch with hundreds of registered immigration advisors. Just click the link in the description box or the pinned comment below. Back to our video now. The Migration Amendment Bridging Visa Conditions Bill 2023 seeks to amend the Migration Act 1958 as well as the Migration Regulations 1994. The intention behind this is to ensure that non-citizens for whom there is no actual prospect of removal from Australia become practicable in the near future, and who are therefore incapable of being subject to immigration detention under subsections 189 and 196 of the Migration Act following the High Court's orders of 8 November 2023 in NZYQ versus Minister for Immigration. Citizenship and Multicultural Affairs, hereinafter referred as NZYQ. What's more is that those who do not otherwise hold a visa are subject to appropriate visa conditions on any bridging visa granted to them following release. Simply put, the purpose of the bill is a way of keeping the community safe, as well as amending migration laws in relation to NZYQ's decision. The Australian Government has initiated measures to empower the framework for BIVR in assisting with the monitoring of the migrant status of individuals in this cohort while emphasising the roles of reporting and notices associated with the BVR. Now, the BVR allows eligible non-citizens whose removal is not possible to stay legally in Australia until their expulsion. ABVR may be used by the Department of Home Affairs for a person from the NZYQ cohort who has no right to remain in Australia and is unlikely to obtain another visa. Participation by a person in their removal from Australia is a requirement of BVR. This bill is further tightening the current requirements for BVR holders in order to capture the current environment, as well as the expectations of the Australian community with regard to the management of non-citizens with BVRs, in view of the ramifications of the orders in NZYQ. It is also necessary to make amendments to the Border Violence Reduction Strategy, also known as BVR, in order to effectively handle this element of the migration system. This includes the situation where the perpetrator is a non-citizen who committed grave crimes not only on Australian territory and requires appropriate and proportionate management while their migration status is being resolved. Additionally, the Australian community expects orderly migration and normally expects that non-citizens should cooperate with deportation planning and immigration. The Australian communities expect that non-citizens living in Australia should not engage in any conduct that seeks to resolve their immigration status. However, it is also appreciated that breaking Australian laws has a huge impact on the Australian community and creates difficulties for the government in processing this person's removal from Australia. Today's video ends here. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching today's video update.